very good morning everyone. This is Kritika Paliwal welcoming you all in the online classes again. So you are studying English with me. In the last lecture we have finished the explanation of chapter number 2 of English literature, that is the land of the Bumblebee. I hope you all have read the chapter and okay, so explanation and reading part is finished and one thing also, the exercise of the chapter is also finished. Okay, if you have any problem in the exercise you can ask me anytime you want. So today we are going to start the notebook work. Okay, we are going to start the notebook work today. So in the notebook what we do first? Okay, we first write the index. So just write it fast. Open your notebook, English literature notebook. In which notebook you will write? You will write it in the English literature notebook. Okay. The grammar notebook. In the grammar notebook we haven't started anything yet, but we will do the grammar parts very soon. But write this part in the English literature notebook. Okay. So index. What do we write in the index? The serial number. Serial number, whatever it is going on. I guess I think this is serial number 4. Okay. Then date. Date is there in your index. Okay. Date, whatever date is there, write it in this format. Okay. Okay. I guess this lecture you will see on the 24th. So write it 24th of July 2020. And here, the topic. What topic we are going to start today is chapter number 2, difficult words. Okay, we are going to write the difficult words today. So just please write it fast. Soon I am going to rub it. Okay, beta, now open a new fresh page of your notebook. Okay, the page just next to where you have finished writing the first chapter. Okay, in first chapter what things we have done in the notebook? We have done the hard words, the word meanings and the question answer, nothing else we had done. Okay, all the things we had done in the book. So just after that, the next page, whatever it is, just start writing from the next page. Write down the heading very neatly and carefully. Okay. Write down this heading. Chapter 2. T capital, this T, the land, L capital, LND, land of the Bumblebee. Okay. So T capital, L capital, here B capital and here also B capital. The land of the Bumblebee. Okay, just write it fast. So, for suppose this is your margin, write down number A. What is A? Difficult words. What are difficult words? The words that you might have found difficult in reading as well as in understanding. Okay, D-I-F-F-I-C-U-L-T. Difficult words. W-O-R-D-S words. Okay. Just write this fast. On the topmost line you will write chapter 2. The line just below it you will write the land of the Bumblebee. That is the name of our chapter. And the line just below this you will write A, difficult words. Don't forget to write this on this side of the margin. Okay. Just do it fast. one more important thing is there. What is that thing? On this side, date section is there. So don't forget to write the date in this format. Okay, whatever date there is today, you just write that same date. Okay, I am not writing date here because this lecture has been shot much before. Okay. So the first word is number 1, N-E-V-E-R, never. Okay. One more important thing is that most of you make this mistake. Okay, that you make the first this N capital. I know after telling this, still many of you will make the same mistake. Don't make this N capital, okay? Because we write only proper nouns capital and the first letter of the sentence capital. And the single I have told you when we were writing words, when we were discussing about word, this only these three things are in capital. So don't write this N capital, okay? So first word is never, N-E-V-E-R, never. What is the first word? N-E-V-E-R, never. Where, in which line you have read this word? They never blow noses. Okay, so this is our first word. Second word is blow. B-L-O-W, B-L-O-W, blow. They never blow noses. B-L-O-W, blow. Okay, write it fast. Third word is sense. See, I have not made this B capital also. Okay, when we were discussing sentences, जब हमने sentence discuss किए थे, तभी भी I told you the rules that don't make the letter in between capital. Okay, the words that are coming in between. Many of you have made those letters also capital. एक sentence के बीच में आपने बहुत सारे letters capital कर दिए थे. Don't do that mistake. Okay, that is a mistake in English grammar. Okay, we are studying English now, right? So we have to take care about all these small things. So be small and small. Don't make them capital. Okay, we are not writing a sentence कि हम first letter capital लिखेंगे. Okay, so third word is sensible. S-E-N-S-I-B-L-E, sensible. Third word is sensible. S-E-N-S-I-B-L-E, sensible. Okay. Write fast. In which line you have read this word? What a sensible thing to do. You have read this word in that line. What a sensible thing to do. Then, next word is bottle. B-O-T-T-L-E, bottle. Okay, bottles of dandelion stew. In that line we have read this word. B-O-T-T-L-E, bottle. B-O-T-T-L-E, bottle. Then, the fifth word is, oops, see my space. I don't have much space here, but still I managed to write. I am managing to write. Bottle, then fifth word is dandelion. D-A-N-D-E-L-I-O-N, dandelion. What is dandelion? It's a flower. It's a yellow colored flower. D-A-N-D-E-L-I-O-N. Dandelion. L-I-O-N, you read it as lion, na? Here don't read it as lion. Dandelion. Dandelion. Okay. Then see, I don't have space here, but I know you will be having a lot of space there. Don't start writing from this section. Okay, I am writing it here because I don't have a space. आपको नहीं लिखना है. You don't have to write here until you finish writing this side of your page. Okay, and if this side of your page is finished, you can write it on this side of the same page. इसी page के same side में लिख सकते हैं. No need to write it on the other page. Next page से लिखने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. Okay. So number six is stew. S-T-E-W, stew. Okay. S-T-E-W, stew. S-T-E-W, stew. S-T-E-W, stew. Then number 7, thousands. T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D-S, thousands. Mathematics में भी you do a lot of mistake in writing the spelling of thousand. Okay, so that's why we are learning it in English also. Thousands. Then number 8 is trousers. T-R-O-U-S-E-R-S, trousers. T-R-O-U-S-E-R-S, trousers. T-R-O-U-S-E-R-S, trousers. Okay. Then number 9, pumpkins. Number 9, pumpkins. P-U-M-P-K-I-N-S. P-U-M-P pump, K-I-N-S skins, pumpkins. Okay. Then number 10 is pelican. P-E-L-I-C-A-N, pelican. P-E-L-I-C-A-N, pelican. ठीक है? Then number 11, 11th hard word is hurry. H-U-R-R-Y, hurry means jaldi. Okay, H-U-R-R-Y, hurry. Then 12th word is train, T-R-A-I-N, train. Then 13th word is wonderful. W-O-N-D-E-R-F-U-L, wonderful. Here our difficult words are finished. So just please write it fast. And since we do not have any proper noun here, proper noun हम पढ़ेंगे जब हम noun chapter read करेंगे, okay, of English grammar. But here I am telling you there is no proper noun. यहाँ अभी कोई proper noun नहीं है in words में. So don't make any of the beginning letter capital. Here beginning letter starting का एक भी letter आप capital नहीं बनाएंगे, okay? Okay, I have written all the letters small now. You can see that all the letters are small. Is this W capital? No. Is this H capital? No. Okay, so don't do that silly mistake. Okay, done beta? Done? Okay, if it is not done, you can take a screenshot or you can pause the screen. आप screenshot भी ले सकते हैं और screen को pause भी कर सकते हैं. Okay? So I am rubbing it out. The next thing that we are gonna do is word meanings. Okay? There are some difficult words जिनके meaning हम लिखेंगे. Okay? So we are going to do word meanings. So what is the first thing that you will do? We will write index. Okay, abhi in online classes I am telling you again and again to write the index because you people are not here. So I cannot see that you are writing index or not. So we are writing index again and again. Pardon me if I have written the serial number wrong. Pardon me means मुझे माफ करना अगर serial number wrong लिखा है because I don't remember what serial number is going on. I guess number 5 is there next. Serial number 5. Date, same date. Whatever date you are writing this these things, okay, whatever the date on which you have seen this lecture. So date, you will write it in this format again. And see, so many of you send me the pictures of your notebook work and your book work also. You all forget to write date there. Date कोई नहीं लिखता है, बहुत very few students write date there. Okay, so just don't if you will send me the picture of whatever you are doing, the question answer, the word difficult words, the word meaning, please send me the picture of index also so that I can see कि आप index properly लिख रहे हैं या नहीं. Okay. Then serial number, date, and topic here chapter 2. Pura CHAPTER chapter we are not going to write. We will write it in small. Word meanings, WORD, word, and meanings, MEANINGS, word meanings. Okay, so please write it fast. ओके सो जिस पेज पर फिनिश किया था डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड्स, वहाँ से लिखना स्टार्ट नहीं करना है, नेक्स्ट पेज से हम लिखेंगे. ओके, वी विल स्टार्ट राइटिंग फ्रॉम अ न्यू फ्रेश पेज ऑफ आवर नोटबुक. सो राइट डाउन नंबर बी ऑन द टॉप मोस्ट लाइन. टॉप मोस्ट लाइन मीन्स मार्जिन के ऊपर नहीं जाना है. डोंट गो अबाउट द मार्जिन. ओके, देयर इज द फर्स्ट लाइन, फर्स्ट सेट ऑफ 4 लाइन्स इन योर नोटबुक. दैट इज द टॉप मोस्ट लाइन. सो नंबर बी देयर and WORD, word. W capital here I have made. Q मैंने बनाया. अभी यहाँ word भी कोई proper noun नहीं है, but we write the headings in capital. Okay, we write the headings all in capital. So W capital, word, and meaning, MEANING, word meanings. Okay, so M is also capital here. So you will do the same as I am doing. Word meanings. Number first word meaning is pie. P-I-E, pie. Okay. P-I-E, pie. Pie means a baked dish of fruit. Okay, a baked dish of fruit. Egg dish, the food item. Okay, so that dish which is baked. Okay, see there are so many types you can do cooking. Okay, there are so many forms of cooking like steaming you can do, frying and baking. Okay, roasting. ठीक है, तो हम पाई वो डिश है जो बेक करके बनाई जाती है. नाउ बेक किसको किया जाता है? फ्रूट्स को. सो पाई इज अ बेक्ड डिश ऑफ फ्रूट. पाई इज अ बेक्ड, B-A-K-E-D, बेक्ड डिश ऑफ फ्रूट. कहाँ करते हैं हम बेक? We do it in the microwave oven, right? And yeah, cakes, pastries, then what are that? Muffins, cupcakes, so many things you bake na? I mean not you, your mom bakes for you, or in the bakery it is done. So baking, I think it is familiar, this word is familiar to you. Okay? So then just write first, pie is a baked dish of fruit. Which pie was discussed in our chapter? A lemon pie was discussed in our chapter. And who was selling lemon pie, and where did this lemon pie being sold? Lemon pie कहाँ sell हो रही थी, कहाँ बेची जा रही थी? At the zoo. Okay, people of Bumblebee were selling lemon pie at the zoo. Okay, so just write first, pie, a baked dish of fruit. Then number 2, second hard word is dandelion. Okay, dandelion is what? A plant with yellow flowers. D-A-N-D-E-L-I-O-N. D-A-N-D-E-L-I-O-N. Dandelion. D-A-N-D-E-L-I-O-N. D-A-N-D-E-L-I-O-N. What is a dandelion? It's a plant with yellow flowers. Okay, it's a plant with yellow flowers. A plant with yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R-S. अच्छा, flowers को आप कैसे बोलते हैं? Flower. Flower is can also be a pronunciation, but a standard pronunciation is flower. Okay, flowers. A plant with yellow flowers. Okay, just write fast. Plant with yellow flowers. And since you have started a new page, don't forget to write date. Okay, date नहीं हुई ना तो I will not check your page. बस that's it. So please write date. Okay. So a pie is a baked dish of fruit, and dandelion is what? It's a plant with yellow flowers. What is a dandelion? It's a plant with yellow flowers. Then number 3 is stew. What is a stew? Stew. What a stew was discussed there? Dandelion stew was discussed there. So what is a stew? It's the name of a dish. It's a name. Sorry, name of a dish. What is a stew? It's the name of a dish. Okay. Then number 4, stew is the name of a dish. Then one more thing that is discussed there is gnu. Gnu, G-N-U, gnu नहीं पढ़ेंगे, nu पढ़ेंगे. So gnu is what? It's the name of an animal. Okay, what is gnu? G-N-U. Gnu is the name of an animal. It's name of an animal. An animal I have written. Why? Because this A is a vowel na. So A and the, I think you have read it in class 1. A and the, so that's why I have written an animal. Name of an animal. एक animal का नाम है. एक singular thing is there. That's why we have written an. Okay. And why we have written? Because it's a vowel. Otherwise we would have written A also. Name of A animal भी तो लिख सकती थी. जैसे यहाँ पे A dish लिखा है, यहाँ पे A क्यों लिखा है? Why? Because D is not a vowel. It's a consonant. And an animal we have written because A here of animal is a vowel. That's why we have written an animal. Okay, then number 5. 5th is pelican. Pelican. What is a pelican? Pelican is the name of a large bird. Okay. Not as large as ostrich. Ostrich की जितना बड़ा नहीं, but you know ostrich is the largest bird. Okay, some general knowledge I have given. हाँ, pelican is what? It's the name of a large bird. Bird not as small as a sparrow. Sparrow जितना small नहीं. The bird is quite large. तो pelican एक large bird का name है. And how pelican is discussed in our chapter? Pelican को कैसे बताया गया है chapter में? The trousers and hats are made up of pelican pumpkins and pelican glue. So pelican glue is discussed there. So what is pelican there? Pelican is the name of a large bird. Pelican large bird का name है. Okay. So do it fast. Pelican is name of a large bird. N-A-M-E name. O-F of a large bird. Okay. Just write fast. Okay, done. If it's not done, you can take a screenshot of it or you can pause the screen. Okay. Then third thing that we are going to do today is we will write the story in our notebook. Okay, half I will write and half I will give it in homework. Okay. So coming back to the index page again, फिर से index page open करेंगे हम. Here serial number 6, then date, again same date. Okay, and this part you will fill up accordingly. And the topic is chapter 2. Right here, poem writing. P-O-E-M, poem writing. W-R-I-T-I-N-G. So we are going to write the poem. So just write it fast so that we can start soon. Okay, done. I hope you are doing it in the literature notebook. So just open another fresh page. I know 5 hard words लिखने के बाद यहाँ काफी space बचा होगा, but वहाँ नहीं लिखना है. Okay, we will write this on a new page. In that way, your notebook looks more clean. That's the basic idea behind that. Okay, behind starting everything from a new page. So this is your margin. Write down number C and write the heading here. The land of the handwriting and of the Bumbly Boo. B-U-M-B-L-Y. Bumbly. B-double-O. Okay. So the land of the Bumbly Boo. No full stop there. So just start writing the poem. You can see the poem from the book and you can write it from there also. Okay. यहाँ मैं सिर्फ इतना बता रही हूँ कि हमें लिखना कैसे. So first line, in the land of the Bumbly Boo. Why we are writing this poem in the notebook? Because it should be there in the notebook also, and your handwriting will also improve because of it. Okay. और एक बार हम लिखेंगे तो हमें और थोड़ा better terms में learn हो जाए. In the land of the Bumbly Boo. ठीक है. अब listen very carefully. इसके आगे स्पेस होगा आपकी नोटबुक में, आपकी नोटबुक की उस लाइन में, पर्टिकुलर लाइन में जहाँ आप लिख रहे हैं. ओके, देयर मस्ट बी अ लॉट ऑफ स्पेस रिमेनिंग हियर, बट आप उसके आगे नहीं लिखेंगे क्योंकि आवर फर्स्ट लाइन इज फिनिश्ड हियर. आप नेक्स्ट लाइन से स्टार्ट करेंगे. विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट लाइन. इन द लैंड ऑफ द बम्बली बू द पीपल आर रेड, व्हाइट एंड ब्लू. कैसे हैं वहाँ के लोग? रेड, व्हाइट एंड ब्लू. WHITE, व्हाइट एंड ब्लू. द पीपल आर रेड, व्हाइट एंड ब्लू. ओके. इस पॉइंट पर यहाँ पर ये लाइन भी फिनिश करेंगे. हम इसके आगे नहीं लिखेंगे अगर हमारे पास स्पेस है तो. वी विल राइट फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट लाइन. They never blow noses. THEY. They never. NEVER. Never blow. BLOW. Blow noses. NOSES. They never blow noses. Okay. Now here there also must be so much of space remaining there. यहाँ पर और भी बहुत सारा space बचा होगा, but you will not write it from there. अब इतना smart हो गए, हम इसके आगे नहीं लिखेंगे, हम next line से लिखेंगे. So they never blow noses or ever wear clothes. 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 They never blow noses or ever wear clothes. What a sensible thing to do. What a sensible thing to do. Okay, यहाँ पे exclamation mark, exclamatory sentences हम पढ़ चुके हैं. We have studied exclamatory sentences. So this is what, it's an exclamatory sentence. What a sensible thing to do. कितनी समझदारी वाली बात है ये. Wow. So okay, so here अब one stanza is complete. एक stanza complete कर लिया. We have completed one stanza in the notebook. Now do one thing, just leave one line. यहाँ पर आपको one line skip करनी है. Then write the another stanza. In the land of the Bumblebee, in the land of the Bumblebee, you can buy a lemon pie at the zoo. Okay? You can buy a lemon pie. You can buy lemon pie at the zoo. Okay? Now your homework it is. Okay? Now it's your homework to complete writing the poem in your notebook. What are the things that we are going to do? जहाँ पर एक स्टैंजा फिनिश हो जाए आपको वहाँ वन लाइन स्किप करके नेक्स्ट स्टैंजा लिखना है. ओके, सो देन द सेकेंड स्टैंजा 2 लाइन्स आई हैव रिटन. बस बाकी की पूरी पोएम, दिस पोएम यहाँ से इतना जितना भी है, यू विल राइट इट ऑन योर ओन. दिस इज योर होमवर्क. और इसे होमवर्क सेक्शन में नहीं करना है. डोंट राइट इट इन द होमवर्क सेक्शन. डू इट इन द क्लास वर्क सेक्शन, वहीं जहाँ हमने ये लिखना फिनिश किया. ओके, डू इट इन द क्लास वर्क सेक्शन. So, इसके आगे का आप लोग लिखेंगे and you will send me. Better send it to me. Okay, all of you. I know so many students watch the videos. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप वीडियो नहीं देख रहे. That's why you are not sending. You are watching the videos, still you are not sending things to me. Why? So just better send it to me. Okay? I'll do the correction if needed. So this is your homework. This is your homework. You will finish the rest of the poem in your notebook. जो बाकी की बची हुई पोएम आप अपनी नोटबुक में लिखना कंप्लीट करेंगे. So this is it for this lecture. The time is up for me to go. So we'll meet in the next lecture with another thing. Okay? So just till then, bye bye, take care, see you.